The MultiForce EDC gyroscope and similar anti-stress toys have gained significant attention on social media platforms like TikTok, where videos featuring the hashtag Poppets have accumulated over 3 billion views. These toys are designed to not only relieve stress, but also provide an opportunity to learn about physics concepts such as angular momentum, inertia, and gimbal lock. Made with durable materials like stainless steel and featuring multiple bearings, the MultiForce EDC gyroscope is often perceived as a high-quality product. It is also positioned as a unique gift item or a decorative piece for coffee tables, appealing to those who are interested in novelty items or conversation starters. The use of social media influencers and user-generated content in viral videos showcasing the toy's features and capabilities has likely contributed to its popularity among stressed-out individuals seeking stress relief solutions. However, it's important to note that prices may vary depending on the market, with the MultiForce EDC gyroscope priced at around $80 in some cases. The TACA MultiFunction titanium knife is a versatile tool made from durable and lightweight titanium. It typically features a folding design with built-in tools such as a blade, screwdriver, bottle opener, and more, making it a multifunctional tool for outdoor enthusiasts and those in need of a compact everyday carry (EDC) option. The use of titanium in its construction makes it lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and durable. Designed for various tasks, the TACA MultiFunction titanium knife is a popular choice among campers, hikers, and those seeking a convenient and functional tool for their outdoor adventures or everyday use. The Do-N-Will's Book Light is a portable, clip-on LED light designed for reading books, e-books, or other documents in low-light conditions. It features a flexible gooseneck design for easy adjustment of the light direction and angle, and provides a warm and soft illumination that is easy on the eyes. With a clip-on design, it can be easily attached to books, e-readers, or other surfaces, making it convenient for hands-free lighting. Popular among book lovers, students, and travelers, the Divot NWILS Book Light is a portable and adjustable solution for reading in the dark or low-light environments. The Calamoon LED sensor headlight is a lightweight and convenient headlamp designed to be worn on the head. It features gesture sensors for easy on/off control by waving hands, offering 230-degree lighting and a 1200 mAh battery for extended use. Weighing only 270 grams, it is suitable for various outdoor activities such as cycling and fishing. The headlamp also includes a USB Type-C port for quick charging in just 2 hours. However, some buyers have reported that it may warm the forehead during use. With an affordable price of $17, the Calamoon LED sensor headlight is a potentially cost-effective option for those in need of a hands-free lighting solution. The Donna Egg is a small, portable watch in the shape of an egg, referencing the historical Nuremberg egg, one of the first decorative pocket watches. Priced at $120, it measures 3 centimeters and weighs 28 grams. It lacks traditional watch hands and does not tick, resembling a kitchen timer. Designed to be worn around the neck, it features a quartz movement that can last up to 4 years on a single battery, which is replaceable. Despite its compact size, the Donna Egg serves as a unique and stylish accessory with a nod to historical timekeeping. The Moft Snap Stand Power Set is a device designed to keep your iPhone upright and charged. It features a small charger that can be clipped to the back of your iPhone, allowing you to charge your phone while propping it up using the built-in stand. The side port makes it easy to charge your phone and use the stand simultaneously. Additionally, the device has a card slot that can fit up to 3 cards, eliminating the need to carry a separate wallet. The compact size of the charger allows for easy storage in your pocket. Overall, the Moft Snap Stand Power Set offers a convenient and multifunctional solution for charging, propping, and card storage for your iPhone. The Quake Click N1 Laptop Stand is a portable and adjustable laptop stand made from strong PU leather. It is designed to elevate and tilt laptops for improved ergonomics and comfort, allowing users to work comfortably while looking straight at the screen. The stand has a smart foldable design, making it convenient for on-the-go use, and can handle laptops with screen sizes up to 19 inches, as well as smartphones or tablets with screen sizes up to 7 inches. Its maximum weight capacity is 11 pounds. The stand is made from durable materials and provides a stylish and practical solution for enhancing work posture and productivity. The Flipstik Pro Phone Accessory is a versatile stand that can be attached to any surface, allowing creators to position their phones at the desired angle for content creation. The stickers used for attachment are reusable and can be used up to 1,000 times, and they are easy to clean if they get dirty. The Flipstik Pro also functions as a kickstand with a flip cover that can support even large phones. Additionally, it comes with a silicone band to prevent accidental drops or slips of the smartphone during use. This innovative accessory provides a practical solution for creators to overcome challenges in positioning their phones while creating content, ensuring stability and convenience. The Zika Drive USB4 SSD is a portable storage solution that combines an SSD enclosure with a user's own SSD for blazing fast data transfer speeds. With read speeds of up to 3,700 megabytes/ and write speeds of up to 3,100 megabytes/, this USB4 SSD offers exceptional performance for data-intensive tasks. Its broad compatibility makes it suitable for various devices, and it provides a significant boost to work speed, allowing for efficient file management and storage. Whether for professional or personal use, the ZikeDrive USB4 SSD is a powerful and convenient storage option for those in need of high-speed portable storage. The Tonto Mini Divot Repair Tool is a compact and sleek golf accessory designed for fixing divots on the golf course. It features switchblade functionality, high-tension springs, and individually CNC milled G10 composite grips. The tool is 30% smaller than traditional divot repair tools and includes custom-designed grips in 4 colors, a larger magnet, and a Teflon washer for smooth operation. It also comes with a custom Tanto ball marker. With its small size and practical features, the Tonto Mini Divot Repair Tool is a convenient and stylish tool for golfers to keep in their pocket while playing.